Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for adobo chicken. So when you're cooking adobo chicken guys, mix it with drumsticks because it tastes a lot better than just cooking boneless chicken. So I will let this marinate guys for at least 30 minutes to an hour before cooking. On this video guys, I am adding green beans or long beans. We call this sitaw in Tagalog. But this is optional guys. You don't need to mix any vegetables with adobo chicken. I just added long beans or sitaw guys because we have these plants from our garden. And of course, I am a vegetables lover. I hope you enjoy watching this video guys. If you have any question about adobo chicken, just leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.